This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 of the leading social media marketing automation tools and give you some of the pros and cons, walk you through their paid and free accounts so that you can get a sense of what you should use. This is and by the way, I'm not affiliated with any of them. I'm not promoting any of them. These are just me sharing them so that you understand what's best for you. Now, the first one that I do use this one, I am a customer of Social Oomph, which is weird spelling and weird pronunciation, but let's just forgive them for that. And this is their account, and basically what they do is they allow you to schedule tweets. That's for free, and you can have up to 5 Twitter accounts, but they don't allow you to do posting on other social networks for free. Okay, if you want posting on social networks, you have to get the other social networks like LinkedIn, like Facebook groups and stuff like that. If you want automated, and Pinterest, if you want automated posting, you have to pay. And the paid account, I have the version that's just over $40 a month, and that allows me to post on LinkedIn, Facebook page, Facebook group, multiple Twitter accounts, Pinterest, and I'm also allowed to send people a direct message on Twitter when they follow me. And by yourself, you can't automate that. So that's what this does. And that's what I use. And I'm happy with them. The drawbacks, they're a little bit awkward and clunky to use, but it works really well. And they have good tech support that I sometimes use. The next one is Buffer app. Buffer is nice because the individuals, which I'm assuming that's what you are, is even the paid plan is $10 a month, which is cheap compared to what I pay for Social Oomph. And you get one social account per platform. So if you have multiple Twitter accounts, you're better off using the free version of Social Oomph. But if you just want to post on, as they show you here, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Google Plus, and Pinterest, then you're able to do that no problem here. One account per platform, but you can only schedule a few posts per profile. So really, this is they max you out at 100. But honestly, for my account here, I scheduled over 200 tweets that cycle all the way, and when the tool goes through the entire list of 200 tweets, it just starts over, and that way I keep on adding whenever I have new content, anything I want to promote, I just keep adding to that list. So even though it seems like this is just $10 and it's cheap, this is the catch right here. They only allow you to automate 100 updates, which is not cool, and to get 2,000 updates, it's a $99 plan. So in a way, it's not cheaper, you see? So based on your needs, you can decide what you need. But this is essentially the difference. And then, of course, there's Hootsuite. Hootsuite is an older tool that has been around for a while. It's also very known. And you also see they give you a breakdown of what they allow. If you have just one user, which is you can have 10 social accounts. They give you a little bit of analytics, auto scheduling. I think what you want to do is try this 30-day trial and see if it gives you unlimited tweets and all that. And if it does, this is a good option. And you can see, even though they say it's $99 a month, it's not, because look, that's billed annually. That's what it would average out to if you pay for the whole year. But if you just want to pay monthly and try it out, it's $29.99. And for $45 or about $40 a month, I get an extra feature from Buffer, which is also that automatic DM. And in the automatic DM, what I do is I tell people to come to my site. I'm like, hey, here's a link to my site. Here's what I'm doing. And because then they're able to come to my site and they click on it, I cookie them, and then I can run ads to them. So it's actually very powerful. So out of all of these, I would probably recommend this one because it gives you more tools and I find it more powerful. But it's also because I know it better. For you, try to explore them. Each of them give you a 14-day or a 30-day free trial. You pay nothing, so try to explore it, see which one you like, and then sign up for one. It's very cheap, and it can give you a significant benefit. It can keep you up in the hashtags. It can get you new traffic. It can re-engage you with existing customers who are already following you. It can save you time by automating everything. And then once you funnel people from your social accounts to your website, then you can either get them to sign up for your products, buy your products, sign up for your email list, or in the least case, at least run the retargeting ads. So this really gives you a lot of stuff you can do and really fits really well into the overall marketing picture.